In the heart of Siberia, beneath layers of ice that have been frozen for tens of thousands of years, a scientific breakthrough has occurred that could change our understanding of life itself. Imagine finding life that has been frozen for 46,000 years, only to revive it and watch it thrive once more. This is the incredible story of ancient worms that defied the passage of time. These tiny creatures were trapped in the ice long before humans walked the earth, during a time when giant mammoths roamed the planet. But thanks to a warming climate and melting ice, these ancient creatures were uncovered by scientists who decided to take a bold step in a lab in Russia. Scientists placed the worms in warm water, and what happened next was nothing short of miraculous. To their amazement, the worms revived. After 46,000 years of dormancy, but the story does not end there. These revived worms did not just survive, they thrived, producing offspring of their own before their short-lived existence came to an end. This is an unprecedented discovery. It proves that life can be paused for an indefinite period, waiting for the right conditions to come alive again. This incredible feat opens up new possibilities in science, challenging what we know about life, time, and survival. What other ancient mysteries lie frozen beneath the Earth's surface? And what other secrets could the melting ice reveal?